Welcome to Gutter Hero, your gutter cleaning and gutter guard installation experts. In this video, I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions about our services. How do I pay you? We accept bank transfer and cash only. What is your minimum charge? $250 including GST. Must I be there? No. Are you insured? Yes. Will you remind me the next time my gutters need to be cleaned? Yes. Do you clean the gutters before installing gutter guards? Definitely yes. Do you clean up your mess? Yes, we clean up our mess. Will you clear the downpipes? 99% of the time we can clear the downpipes, but sometimes there's like a root ball or something growing through the downpipe that we can't rectify. That has to be done by a plumber, and sometimes you may have a blockage underneath the ground somewhere, but 99% of the time it's usually just something that's stuck in the bend in the downpipe. Is it a free quote? You're not committed to use our service, so we will give you a pretty clear indication of how much we're going to charge. So you can just tell us, look, I didn't budget for that amount. So it is a free quote. You can just decline to use the service, or if you want us to come back, we would have to charge more. So what if it's raining? If it's raining, you'll receive an SMS early on the day to advise you that there is rain around and that we most likely won't be turning up and we'll have to reschedule. Sometimes you would have to wait up to a week or maybe longer for us to come back. In the ACT, especially in the winter time, there's ice in the gutters. So we actually can't work in the mornings because there's ice in there. So on the really cold winters, we can't work when there's ice on the roof or in the gutters. What happens with the gutter rubbish? So while we're cleaning the gutters, all the rubbish from your gutters is being put into bags, and at the end of the job we'll ask you where you want us to put it. We can put it into your green bin, we can distribute it in the garden. It makes great mulch, great compost, or alternatively you can pay us to take it away. How do you clean the gutters? We clean the gutters by hanging a bucket on the outside edge of the gutter. We then scoop all the rubbish out, put it into the bucket. When the bucket's full, we empty it into a big giant bag. Once that bag's full, we drop it off the roof. We then blow out any leftover bits out of the gutters. We then clean up any mess that's on the ground. We then rinse out the gutters and check the downpipes. We then photograph the gutters to show they're all clean, send them to you in an SMS, ask you where you'd want us to put the rubbish, and send you the bill. My home relies on water tanks. How do you handle this? Often we do a lot of regional and rural work, and we understand the importance of having clear water coming into your house. And usually it's quite easy. We just put a tarp over the top of the water tank so that all the water that we flush out of the gutters then hits the top and then goes onto the ground, and then we just clean up. There may be some mud on the side of the water tanks and we just clean up. Usually it's simple like that. If you have a more elaborate system, you need to have it prepared for our visit before we come, with clear instructions on how we can divert the water that we wash through the gutters away from the water tank. Or alternatively, you can opt for us not to rinse out the gutters. And that should answer most of the questions that you have. If you want to know why you should use our service, please click on this video just over here. Or if you want to know if we service your area, just click on this video over here to find out. Why don't you click that red book button? Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.